Hey everyone, whenever you click on some post on Instagram, it's showing you that this post is sensitive, yeah, or it's content sensitive content. But if you want to see that sensitive content, then there is a setting on Instagram that you can turn on and you can see the sensitive content of any post. So for that, just open your Instagram on your mobile phone, go to your profile. Now in profile at the top right side, there are three horizontal lines. Click on these three horizontal lines, scroll down and you will see an option called suggested content. Click on this one. Now here you can see an option called sensitive content. Just click on this one, sensitive content. And now there are three options: less, standard and more. Now if you want to see the content or sensitive content on your Instagram feed or main page, you will click on this one, more. When you click on more and confirm this, now your Instagram will contain the post that will contain sensitive content. So this is the way how you can see the sensitive content on your Instagram homepage or main feed.